Hey folks, as we see in our previous video how to serve HTML file to server. In this video we are going to cover how to serve object to our server. So let's start. So first of all we need an object. So let's say var my object. Okay, right here big data. Let's www. Let's say one. Let's say date 27. And let's try to send the response and let's provide here my object. This method is only accept buffer or string. These are objects. So we have to provide here the file. Let's wrap this object the method. Now let's try to run this. Provide here file name, press enter. Let's refresh this and you can see what our data. Name CW. Now let's try to change the data. Let's say hello world 12 7 12. Now let's rerun this. Let's say more as energy. Let me refresh and you can see hello world data is. So that's how we can use object or serve our object with the use of server. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.